Welcome to a new boat life episode with SolarYacht.
Die Anker haben sich verkettet. Das wird Spaß machen, die auseinander zu friemeln.
Floating on the water, I feel so free. On this houseboat yacht, it's the place to be. 360 degrees. The view is oh so fine. Luxurious living. This life is all mine. From party to sun, drinks in my hand. Dancing on the deck to the beat we command.
We spent the previous night at anchor on the lake, docked together with friends.
Guck mal, Marina, Baby hinten.
We started our boating day having a coffee in the morning on our front terrace.
Die Anker haben sich verkettet. Das wird Spaß machen, die auseinander zu friemeln. Hier, schmeiß die für die kleine Ente hier. Schnell hier vorne, nach hier vorne. Los.
Oh, die sind ja klein.
Ja. Guck mal.
Warum essen die nicht mal?
Gut. Ist noch zu hart für die.
After feeding a little cute duck family, Arik left the anchor to go back to our marina and pick his uncle up.
Alright, some problems disappear on their own. Look, we got lucky with the wind. Undoing the anchor knot just with the wind, without doing nothing. So maybe we're lucky.
So nice with the mirror there.
We prepared a tasty brunch for us.
What do we have here?
Salmon.
And mariniert mit Ahornsirup.
What is it? Do a heart.
Huh?
I wanted to do a heart for you.
Ah.
There is also different from her.
Yeah? Nice. Frischer Fang aus dem Wannsee.
While I was starting to prepare our barbecue for tonight, Arik picked up his parents and Nikki with the dinghy. And all of them went for a beautiful boat tour in the little channels of Klein Venedig. Did you know there is a beautiful oasis of nature called Little Venice in the middle of Berlin city? It's the perfect place for a romantic canoe ride or stand-up paddling tour surrounded by nature. I organized our house being on anchor before my crew returned from their adventurous boat ride.
Wir haben die Klein Venedig-Tour gemacht.
Sagte ja. Können wir herschneiden, ne? Arek sagte.
Eine schöne Lachsforelle.
Ah, schöne, wirklich schöne.
Party. Das ist die Diskothek hier. Ist das hier die Disco? Ja! Bootparty? Eine kleine Bootparty.
We prepared a delicious barbecue for dinner to be ready for sunset and the Champions League finale. The kids jumped in the lake and had fun on the floating pad. It was a beautiful day on the lake with family and friends.
Adios!
Adios!
Schön war's! Schöne Klein Venedig-Tour, schönes Abendbrot. Auf geht's! Immer Richtung Sonnenuntergang. Komm, los, gib Gas.
Wenn ich gerade hier rauffahre, dann fahre ich komme ich dann nicht rein.
Fahr los, gib Gas.
Follow us for more boat life content and weekly boating episodes with the Solar Yacht.